Good morning, everyone. Gil here at Grayman Prepping. It's Thursday, and got some stuff to get on here today. But first, we're going to be doing some exercising. Then after the exercise, I got a bunch of stuff to go over with you guys, and some stuff that's really kind of sad and disheartening as well too. So stick around for the end part for that. All right, well, let's get on to exercising for now. All right, so I did about an hour and 15 minutes on the Gazelle. I had 550 calories, and I'm tired. All right, let me get the notes here. All right, your prep for today item is moleskin for first aid kits. If you don't know what moleskin is, look it up. You really should have it in your first aid kits. All right, so tonight is the midnight ride at the 11:55 Eastern time. Tomorrow is Garden Essentials on Camp Patton Family Compound. We'll be talking about, planning your garden, budgeting for it, getting the seeds you need to have for your location. Saturday is dealing with your vices now. Back here on Grayman Prepping. Hopefully we'll have some of the doctors in there for us. Jams and Jellies is on Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound, and we'll have Tammy from Rebel Canners and Mark from Chef Tech. And let's see, Tuesday is Disaster Laundry, taking care of your clothing in a disaster. Then we got Midnight Ride next Thursday. And we got some other items coming up here. Hydroponics, saws for thriving and SHTF, cold pack versus hot pack, the biggest lies preppers are being told, the Ides of March, and cooking with charcoal. Those are things coming over the next couple weeks. Maybe. Now, I've been doing this mainly to help everybody out, get information out there and help them out. And it's just really discouraging when you got a couple of channels out there who just friggin' lie about everybody they come in contact with. A couple of these channels where, have been lying about Garden State Gardener and Wide Family Farm and their combined channel, Grow Big TV. Some were over there on Corsair Trainers channel Monday, just lying about me and making all sorts of false accusations. But these people have been tracked as far as being liars and backstabbers for about 2 years now. So yeah. Anyways, it's just discouraging when you're trying to help people and you get people like this just making up lies and rumors about you, and makes it difficult to stay focused on helping people. But I'm going to try to keep doing it. I may wind up here in a couple weeks just taking a break from YouTube on both my channels just to recharge my batteries and decide whether or not I'm going to continue on. People like this just they're just the scum of society. All right. So in the meantime, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, plant an indoor garden. Try to get ready for the spring with a garden. Maybe start some plants indoors in 5-gallon buckets that you can transplant once the last frosts are gone, and give you a jump on harvesting. All right, take care, and I will see you around.